Let me show you best graphics settings you can find in Farming Simulator 25. And we can go for the options of the game to open our display settings, and let's cover these options first, then we can move to the advanced graphics settings. And right here, first one is hardware profile. You can change overall graphics quality right here. Then we can look for the resolution scaling, and also right here you can increase it, which will drastically decrease your FPS if it's high, and if it's low it will lower the resolution. Your game will look very foggy, but it will also drastically increase your FPS if you go below 100. And now we can move to advanced graphics settings and scroll down to object draw distance. These options decreases your FPS if it's high, so you can go for 50 on each of them, then go back to your game and walk around for a few minutes, look at your FPS. If it's good, you can try to increase it steadily, and then find your best performance, how they could work to increase it. And now we can scroll all the way down and look for post-process anti-aliasing. There's DLSS right here. I strongly recommend to enable it and use performance, balanced quality, ultra performance options depending on your hardware again. So you can try those options and see which one works best with your PC. And that would be all of the settings I would recommend to change if you're having any problems with the game.